Are you planning to visit the China High-Tech Fair? Or are you seeking gift or toy suppliers in China? Shenzhen is your destination. Once a small fishing village, Shenzhen has quickly grown into a vibrant city of 12 million. It is now one of the most important business cities in China. Trust Wentrip.com to plan your next business trip to this bustling and dynamic metropolis just outside of Hong Kong. Hosting hundreds of trade shows a year, including the China High-Tech Fair, Shenzhen Gifts, Handicrafts, Watches, and Housewares Fair, the China Electronics Fair, and trade shows for the advertising and printing industries. The city of Shenzhen offers the opportunity to find key suppliers in all these industries. For a bit of fun, visit one of Shenzhen's excellent theme parks like Window of the World, or learn about historic China at a China Folk Village. If you want to make your stay even more luxurious, visit Happy Valley, the largest of Shenzhen's theme parks, situated on a picturesque coastline. Come enjoy the coastal view, the theme parks, the city, and especially the people of Shenzhen City. Wentrip.com can make your trip to Shenzhen a breeze. The city is easily accessible from Hong Kong. Fly into Hong Kong and travel a short distance to the city by bus or train. Wentrip.com can book your flight, travel, and accommodations in Hong Kong and Shenzhen. At Wentrip.com, you can compare and reserve international flights and hotels in real time. Besides Shenzhen, Wentrip.com can book 6,000 plus hotels in 400 cities in China. For great travel deals and stress-free travel for business or pleasure, visit Wentrip.com. Wentrip.com, your gateway to Shenzhen and Greater China.